In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Protonmail username. We'll go step by step through the settings you need to open, what you can and can't change, and what to expect if your account requires an upgrade before you can edit your username. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause at any point if you need a moment to catch up. First, open your web browser and go to the Protonmail website by typing the address into the URL bar. Press enter and wait for the Protonmail homepage to load. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account with your usual details so you can access your inbox and settings. You'll need to be logged in to make any changes to your account information. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a gear icon which represents settings. This is where Protonmail groups most of the options for customizing your account. Go ahead and click that gear icon. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing your browser window or looking for a small settings symbol near your profile area. After clicking the gear icon, a settings panel or menu will appear. Here you may see a few quick options, but for what we're doing, we want the full settings view. Look for an option labeled All Settings and click on it. This will open the complete settings dashboard, which is organized into different sections on the left side of the screen. In the full settings area, look for a section called Account and Password. This is where you manage your personal account information and security options. Click on Account and Password to open that page. Give it a second to load, and you should now see details related to your account, including your username and possibly other account identifiers. On this page, find the area that shows your current username. Next to your username, there should be an option or button labeled Edit. This is the control you use when you want to change how your username appears. Go ahead and click Edit. When you do this, Protonmail may open a small window or highlight a field where you can type a different username. At this point, Protonmail checks what kind of plan you're on. In many cases, especially with free accounts, changing the main username or primary email address is restricted. If that's the case for you, you'll see a message explaining that you need to upgrade your plan in order to edit your username. This is Protonmail's way of limiting certain advanced account changes to paid plans. If you see that upgrade message, you have a couple of options. You can decide to upgrade your plan if changing your username is important for you. For example, if you're rebranding or want a more professional address, upgrading will usually unlock the ability to add or modify addresses and usernames depending on the plan you choose. If you're not ready to upgrade, just be aware that your existing username will stay as it is and you won't be able to edit it from this page. That's the entire process. You go to Protonmail, open the settings with the gear icon, choose All Settings, head into Account and Password, click Edit next to your username, and then follow the prompts, keeping in mind that you may need a paid plan to complete the change.